This video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the way we live, work, and learn. From automating repetitive tasks to generating art and writing, AI offers incredible possibilities. But could there be a downside? Could too much reliance on AI stunt our ability to develop the skills needed for independent creative thinking? Think about how AI is being used today. Algorithms can now compose music, write articles, create art, and even code. It's fast, accessible, and it can handle complex problems that would take people hours or even years to solve. But here's the question: if we let AI do so much for us, what happens to our own skills? When we let AI handle creative and critical tasks, there's a risk that we lose touch with the processes that develop those skills in the first place. Skills like problem-solving, critical thinking, and creativity don't just appear. They're developed through practice, trial and error, and learning from mistakes. For example, take writing. Writing is more than just putting words on paper. It's about structuring ideas, analyzing information, and developing unique perspectives. If students rely on AI tools to write their essays, are they missing out on building these foundational skills? Independent creation is what allows people to innovate, adapt, and think deeply about the world around them. When we create something from scratch, we're not just making a product. We're building mental frameworks that help us approach problems, make decisions, and think critically in everyday life. But AI doesn't have to be the enemy of independent thought. Used wisely, AI can be a powerful tool that enhances learning and creativity. The key is balance. AI can be a guide and a partner, but it shouldn't replace the hands-on experience and deep thinking that leads to true understanding. So how can we ensure that AI supports rather than stifles our growth? One way is to use AI as a complement to, not a substitute for, human effort. Try using AI for inspiration or as a way to get new perspectives, but let the process of learning, creating, and problem-solving be yours. As we move forward, let's make sure AI is a tool that enhances our abilities, not one that replaces them. Because while AI can do incredible things, the power of human creativity, independence, and self-creation remains unmatched.